When last the Maverick talk some English Premier League? Long time don't. From Liverpool start struggle, right? Yes. And speaking of Liverpool, can you imagine in contention to win all 4 titles in Europe last season, and this season we are struggling to stay in the league. And you know, it hurts even more because Manchester United not doing so badly. But yo, kudos to Arsenal, who have been basically embracing the responsibility of trying to keep Manchester City honest. Because again, when you look at the balance of the teams in the league, that is what it's all about. We still have that sneaky feeling that it's only a matter of time before Pep Guardiola and his men turn on the afterburners and put a string of 10 or 12 or 15 victories together to sweep in front, never to return. Right now, I just prayers up and science and obia and everything for the Gunners to handle them business, keep their noses in front and get to that finish line ahead of Manchester City. As for Liverpool, we shall return. Even if it takes another 30 years, we shall return.